We got a customer with a case of the crunchy crunches on the side to side and the upsy downsies. Random vibration that comes and goes. Okay, let's see if we can get it to make the crunch noise for the camera. This is pretty easy to diag. Going down the road, I could hear it in the front right. Press down on the bumper and it would go. And then when you're turning, it's making noise too. Strut mate bearing was bad. It was like this on top of the strut after I got the strut out. And it's making creaking noises. The strut's not coming out. There's oil leaking from the seal. It's all signs of a bad strut. It's got the electronic suspension too, so there's some sort of mechanism in there that's effed. Let's see if we can hear the crunch. You hear that? It's stuck all the way in the bottom position now. It was a lot more crunchy before I started playing with it. Noise is, and the strut doesn't come back up. It should be like that. Sure sign of a bad strut, guys, and strut mate bearing.